The drive into the Dolomites?
Absolutely insane.
We were just, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, every single turn, and you are turning every 5 seconds. We're spending the next 7 days in the Dolomites. We rented a camper van because we love living in camper vans. We just think it's so cozy, and it's also a great way to save money. We've stayed in camper vans in so many countries.
New Zealand, Norway, Iceland.
Okay, 3. But now Italy, and also this summer we're going to be in Banff, Canada, and Japan in a camper van. So that's going to be 6.
Yeah.
Oh, I've also been in the US, so 7. We've been driving for about an hour after we picked up our camper van, and I just randomly found this place on the map.
Where are we staying tonight?
I don't know. I think we just look up the closest campsite and go there.
Okay.
But first stop of the Dolomites. Crazy.
It's pretty good. Not a bad first stop.
No. Immediately we're realizing you don't really need a plan. Which is good, because I've done little to no planning. I've got one thing planned for us because I had to book it. Otherwise I think we just pull over to whatever we want to see.
And then we stopped at this random pizza place. Walked in, the guy was like, yeah, we're sorry, like...
No, wait, we didn't even walk in. The guy walked out of the restaurant.
Yeah, he walked out, greeted us.
To greet us.
And he was like, oh, sorry, we only have a table for an hour. Is that okay? We're like, yeah, sure.
We're so fast.
Then he just presented us with this best pizza that we've ever had. Like, at least top 5. And it was so good. It was this old guy making this pizza, and he was just hand-cutting, like, cutting everything a la minute for the pizzas, the cheeses, everything, and it was so good. It was so good.
Did you say a la minute?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Like
I've never heard that phrase.
It's just like when the order comes in, you prep it then. So it's like not pre-prep. Everything is cut when it comes in.
A la minute. Write that down. Okay. Nice. I like that one. Yeah.
In
it was our
Italy.
first time having pizza in Italy.
Yeah.
And it was the best pizza. I came out 2 minutes later after he put it in the oven, and the guy was like, do you want mountain water straight from the mountains? I was like, yes I do want that.
It was such a good, also because it was just so random, that made it even more better.
Yeah, we were just like, oh, we should eat, let's just pull into the next pizza place, and
we literally did
3
that.
seconds later there was a pizza place, so we just pulled in.
And it was so good.
I love that in Italy you can just go anywhere. You don't need to do research about food. You can just pull into any restaurant and it's going to be amazing.
It was cheap. The pizza was like €8.
Yeah.
Which is like, I don't know, like...
Some of the pizzas were €6.
Yeah.
We were so excited on the drive-in that we FaceTimed both of our parents.
Mm-hmm.
Just to show them these views, because we were excited for this part of the trip, but we had no idea
it was gonna be like this.
what it would be like.
Everybody should come here. Like, what the...
Yeah. People are talking about the Dolomites, but I think people are not talking enough about the Dolomites.
Can't wait to go hiking.
I can't.
It's gonna be so good.
I can't wait. We're settled in with our camper van now. I'll show you around. There's not that much to show you. It is one of the biggest vans we've ever rented. However, it feels like one of the smallest vans we've ever rented. I'm not going to complain about how much stuff is in here because it's very useful. It's just not that roomy, as you can see right here. Okay, so here we have the kitchen. This is a gas burner. We have 2. And then you can just close, and there's a sink that comes up. So that's nice that we have running water already set. Oh my god. Okay.
Maybe just keep that down?
Yeah, maybe we'll just keep that down. Just put that away, actually. And then here we've got our plates and bowls, which we had to pay extra to get all of the pots, bowls, and things like that, which I don't don't know how I feel about that. I'm not positive, but... And the, as you can see, it's super tight. And these are not the easiest things to open. My gosh. Am I doing this right? Okay. A little MacGyvering. And we've got our like cups and mugs and a little coffee thing. But again, all of this we had to pay extra for. And we'll keep these here. All of these came in like a plastic box, and we don't think we're gonna do a lot of cooking because we're in Italy and the food is amazing and pretty cheap. So we left all the pots and pans in the box in the back. And then we've got our dry food snacks here. So there really isn't a lot of storage. If we had our pots and pans in here, I don't really know where we'd put all the food. Maybe we would have to keep it in the box and use these as food storage, because that's all you've got for food storage. And then here's our little kitchen dining area. It's for 4 people, and these are the front seats that swivel around, and so that's pretty nice. This camper van is actually for 4 people. We wanted the one that was just for 2 people, but it was manual, and we didn't want to deal with that. We just wanted an automatic drive. But one bed comes up there, it just folds out. You can just imagine how that looks. We're not going to do it for you.
Won't be using that.
It's going to be a lot of work to do it, so we're not doing that. But this is nice to play games. We love playing games. And we've got like some storage up here, our games. We brought some paints, and these are things we bought in Italy, and yeah, just some stuff. And we'll just switch places.
Yep.
Excuse me. Okay. So here we have the bathroom, which is pretty clutch that we have it. It's pretty big for something we probably won't even use that much because we hate to clean these things out, so we won't use it a ton. But I think it's really spacious. Like, check this out. Like, there's so much room here. I hate that it's a wet shower, but I mean, at least we have a shower. We don't have to be at a campsite. And there's hooks and shelves and a mirror. Loving this mirror. And another sink in here as well. I don't know what this... Oh!
This is
a fold-out sink.
Okay.
Okay, great. A lot of sinks in this camper van. Okay, and here we have the bed. So we'll sleep back here. It came with pillows and blankets, but also we had to pay extra for that, so it didn't really come with that. That's the sleeping kit. And then there's all of this storage up here, which is kind of tricky to open. Oh, that was a really good one. So they open like that and like this. But as you can see, like, they're not that deep. They're like really small. This is like one sweatshirt, you know, like that. So we just kind of kept our packing cubes, and we put our packing cubes in. Okay. Great. And if we have a little hanger spot. We don't have any things to hang, or any hangers at all, really, so I put this here. And yeah, there's USB outlets in the back. These work if you're not plugged into the electricity. And we also have these plugs here, like wall plugs, but those don't work if you're not plugged into electricity.
I have no idea what this is.
Maybe it's Here's that.
It only goes this way.
Oh, is this a good time to tell you we didn't watch the intro video for this vehicle? And there's lights everywhere. These like little touch lights. Oh god. Touch lights. I think it's pretty well lit up. And everywhere that there's a window, you can open the window and then pull down the screen so the bugs don't come in. Or you can shut the window so that there's no light coming through. But we will have the light. And we have 2 skylights, which we opened because it's very warm in the Dolomites, and we put the screens up. It's super warm here. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. And I guess there is a trunk. It's just like underneath here, all of our suitcases are there.
You can take this out, but I'm not gonna.
Yeah. You can maybe show you another time. It's really not that interesting.
And the screen's here. Here we have this like digital screen. So not right now it's plugged in, so it's in camping mode, which means it's charging the battery. You can see it's going up here. Here you can see the water level. It's a full tank. This is the gray water. I don't know why it didn't come empty because it's like 4 bars up. Shouldn't have done that. Lights inside, outside, bed upstairs. Yeah, and you just see more details about it. Temperature. Here's the heating. There's no AC, but there's a gas heater we'll not be using, I'm guessing.
The van does come with a heater, but it is gas heater, and we had to pay extra for the gas tank. We had to pay extra for everything. Didn't love that, but I don't actually think we'll use it because it's really warm. It's way warmer than we were anticipating. Tomorrow I'm going to have to go and buy some shorts because I only have coldish weather gear, and we're like sweating.
I think we're going to enjoy our next week here. And here we have... What is this? Oh. Here we have this. I didn't know that was there. And here we have the fridge. This is pretty nice. It comes with a freezer as well. And we got some Budinos.
Oh yes. Can't wait.
At the grocery store, we found Budino, which we had one time at a restaurant with Kiana's brother and his fiance, Julia. Kopi and Julia, and it was the best dessert we've ever had. It was so good. So we saw this at the grocery store, Budino, and we were like, obviously we gotta buy 4 of them. So let's try. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. It's a grocery store one, so I don't know. Okay, it's not like that one though, yeah, but it's pretty good. Okay, nice.
I dream of this dessert that we had with Colby and Julia. It tastes like a snack pack.
Yeah.
Pudding cup.
Yeah.
But like a little more watery. This is literally pudding.
I'm not against it, but...
No, I like it. I'll eat it.
What's this? I don't know. Something.